Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video on Midjourney. So in this video, we are going to be talking about different sketching styles to generate images. So I'm going to use a plane as I was inspired by what I've just been researching about isometric views. So I've covered that in another video if you guys are interested in that. So let's have a look and jump straight into it. So I'm going to use our usual prompt, and then I am going to do plain sketch. Okay, I'm also going to do plain highlighter sketch. Also going to do another one, plain, and then I'm going to do a marker sketch, and then I'm also going to do another one, plain pencil sketch. So let's see what we get from Midjourney. Okay, so let's have a look at what Midjourney has created for us. So when we go to plain sketch, let's have a look. Oh, these look amazing. Very cool. Loving those. It's got a nice square 3 and 4 have got that kind of comic book style to them, which I think looks really fun. So we've got highlighter sketch. So let's have a look. So we've got nice colours popping out here. This could be amazing. Yeah, if you're really wanting that pop of colour, that could be a really good prompt for you. A pencil sketch. Let's have a look. These can look so realistic and amazing. I love it. It looks so cool. The detail of square 2 and 3 with their landing gears down, just that is, the level of detail that is just incredible. And then let's have a look. We've got the marker here as well. So you've got that nice bit of colour. They look brilliant as well. And obviously you can go into more detail if you're wanting to do, a Dreamliner, an Airbus, Boeing, if you're wanting to put in specific models, you can absolutely do that. And if you're wanting sort of certain colour themes as well. So, again, it's another amazing prompt here that you can use on Midjourney to really create those awesome images for you. So if you have found this video useful, if you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, it really does help our channel and we do appreciate it so much. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.